bought this deck for my birthday in December and I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. Before I found the Dalí Tarot, I was searching. I was looking online, scrolling through decks and oracles, trying to feel that spark. I resonated with one oracle deck, but something inside me said, keep looking, so I did. I started going to different libraries, hoping that something would finally awaken me. But nothing really clicked, nothing really made my heart say, this is it. Then, on my way home, I stopped at the last library, and something in me said, maybe you will find your deck here. So I went in, I started looking again, and still nothing, until the lady working there told me to come with her. She said she had other decks, but they weren't displayed where I was searching, and when she brought me to them, I literally fell in love. The first thing that spoke to me was the color, purple, my favorite color. And when I saw the packaging, even just briefly, my intuition told me, yes, this is mine. So I took it home and something else awakened. While looking at the deck, my intuition told me, start making reviews, show your decks to the world. Because this wasn't just another deck for me. I've been collecting for a few years now, and my collection has grown into more than 14 decks. It started as a small habit, but it became a passion, and this is the first one I want to share with you. This deck is not just a tarot deck, it's a piece of art. The Dalí Tarot was created by Salvador Dalí, one of the most iconic surrealist artists of all time. Dalí was known for turning the subconscious into something visible. Dreams, symbols, desire, fear, he painted all of it. The story begins in the 1970s when Dalí was invited to create a tarot deck for a James Bond film. The project was never fully used in the movie, but Dalí didn't abandon it. And like many great artists, he didn't create alone. He had a partner who shaped his world in a way that few people truly understand. Her name was Gala, his wife, his muse, and his guide. Gala wasn't just a companion, she was the force behind many of his projects, and the Dalí Tarot is one of them. Gala encouraged him, supported him, and helped him bring the idea to life. She was the one who believed in the project and pushed him to complete it. Dalí was fascinated by symbolism, the subconscious, and the way the human mind hides its truth. And tarot as a system is built entirely on symbols. So for Dalí, tarot was not just a tool, it was a doorway into the psyche, a way to paint the invisible. The deck took years to create, it wasn't just a quick project, it was an artistic journey. And that is why even before you see the cards, you can feel that this deck carries something beyond ordinary tarot. It carries the energy of Dalí's mind and the devotion of Gala's belief, a surreal collaboration between love, art, and symbolism. The colors, the energy, everything feels like it was designed to be experienced, not just interpreted. Even the packaging tells you something. It feels luxurious, mysterious. The Dalí Tarot is not a beginner deck. It's not designed for quick or simple readings. It's a deck that works best for deeper, more psychological work. It's for people who are comfortable with symbolism and abstract imagery. It's for those enjoying to explore the subconscious, the dreams, and the inner patterns. It's also for collectors and art lovers because it's a deck that feels like a piece of surrealist artwork. If you like decks that are visually intense, emotionally rich, and a bit challenging, then this deck will resonate with you. It's also for the people who want a tarot that feels like an experience rather than a tool. So if you're looking for something gentle and straightforward, this deck might not be the right fit. But if you want a deck that pushes you to think differently and feel deeper, then it's a deck worth exploring. The Magician represents creation, willpower, and the ability to shape reality through intention. He's a reminder that we are not just observers of life, we are co-creators. This is just a small glimpse. In the next video, I will open the deck completely. I will show all the cards. I will talk about the symbolism, the energy, and what it feels like to read with the Dalí Tarot. So if you enjoyed the first look, make sure you stay tuned for part 2, and I will love to hear from you. Have you ever felt drawn to a deck before you even opened it? Do you have a tarot or oracle collection too? And what deck would you like me to review next? Leave a comment below, I will read them all. Thank you for being here with me.